For question number 19, we need to find which corporate sector has decreased its support by the greatest dollar amount from year 1988 to 1991. Basically, which sector has decreased the most. Okay, let us go back to the data and see how can we find that. Okay, we see that financial sector has increased the support, services has also increased the support, so these two won't come in this category, but the four sectors, manufacturing, retail, wholesale and other, have decreased the support 31% to 20%, which is a 11% drop year on year for manufacturing, then 19 to 8%, which is again an 11% for retail, though for wholesale and others there is a drop, but it is a insignificant drop compared to manufacturing and retail. So we will focus on these two only. Now when I said that it has decreased by 11% for manufacturing and similarly 11% for retail, that doesn't mean that this 11% is same for both. Why? Because the base on which the percentage contribution is being calculated is different in both the years. So we need to find the absolute number of contribution in first year and then the second year, take a difference and then compare the difference or the decrease amount for both the sectors. Okay, in first case, manufacturing is contributing 31% for 1988. So we need to find what is 31% of 1988. So essentially we just need to multiply 0.31, which is 31%, into the total amount contributed for 1988. This can be easily done using the on-screen calculator. So the answer comes out to be $195.3 million. So this was the contribution in first year for manufacturing. Now in the second year, the manufacturing contributed 20%. So we will take 20% of 520 million, which is 104. Now to find the decrease, we will subtract 104 from 195.3. 195.3 minus 104 comes out to be 91.3. Now we will do the same exercise for retail. In the first year, retail contributed 19%. So 0.19 of 630 million dollar is $119.7 million. And then for the second year, it contributed 0.8%. Sorry, it contributed 8%, which is 0.08 into 520. Using your on-screen calculator, you can calculate that this is equal to 41.6%. Now, the absolute decrease for retail sector is 119 minus 41.6, which comes out to be 78.1. I will just write it over here. 119.7 minus 41.6 comes out to be $78.1 million. And in the first case for manufacturing, it was $91.3 million. Since $91.3 million is greater than 78.1, the correct answer is manufacturing. If we go back to the options, we see that manufacturing is option number B. Hence, the correct answer is option B.